What types of lifestyle do you have at the present, and why did you choose this kind of life?
I actually have two things: busy lifestyle and healthy lifestyle. With a focus on balancing my personal time and work. So I actually enjoy doing physical activities like playing badminton during weekends, and at the same time after work I enjoy reading or talking with my grandma, relaxing my mind after a hard day. So that's it, I guess.
What was your turning point that made you realize to engage in physical activity, and what to keep motivation?
Turning point. That was when I got sick. So that's why I changed my lifestyle. I do activities. Though before, I'm fan of doing physical activities now, but I changed my eating habit. Like, I choose healthy food at the same time.
As an exercise enthusiast or regular exercise, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
One thing, at the end of the day, whatever you are doing currently, it will come back to you. In short, your body will pay for it. So if you don't do physical activities, exercises, or eating a healthy food, you know what will happen to you. So just do exercises little by little, or small steps, baby steps is okay.
A reflection nako sa interview kay bisan unsa ka busy days, you need to time sa imong self nga maka-exercise ka, because our body is need to exercise then para to maintain physical health also. Then pwede sad ka mo apel sa mga organization sa tuwa, like volleyball, basketball, or it's up to you if asa ka prefer ana. Then currently I am a volleyball player in province before. Dito siya sa feel nga maka-appeal ka na organization or maka-appeal ka na nga na yung mga league ana, like stress reliever, maka-stress reliever pa nimo, ma-maintain pagid imong physical health.